The final heart has awakened. Soon, even the heavens will kneel. I'm ready.
The entire video clip you just watched was created completely using AI without using any expensive production setup. Just AI tools and the right workflow. Right now, AI-generated videos are becoming more popular than ever. Many creators are using AI to create long cinematic videos, build faceless YouTube channels, and even monetize their content. But there is one major problem. People are using expensive paid AI tools, buying subscriptions, and spending a lot of money just to create these videos. But what if I tell you that you can create long cinematic AI videos like this completely for free? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method that I use to create AI cinematic videos, from creating the story to converting that into videos. And the best part is, this is not just a one-time method. You can repeat this same workflow again and again to create unlimited cinematic AI videos for your own YouTube channel, and even start earning just like others. So, you just need to pay very close attention, and now without wasting any more time, let's start building our cinematic AI movie. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have divided the whole workflow in 6 different sections to make it very easy to follow for you. You will not face any problem if you follow the exact workflow as mine. So, the first and most important step is creating a powerful story. Because even the best AI visuals cannot save a boring story. For this, I started with ChatGPT. But instead of simply asking, "Write me a story," I gave it a proper movie writing prompt. I asked AI to act like a Hollywood screenwriter and create an original cinematic movie concept. The goal was not to create random action scenes. The goal was to create something that feels like an actual movie. After generating different concepts, just copy the one with the strongest visual potential. Now the second step is to just convert that conceptual idea into an actual complete movie blueprint. For this, first I am pasting that selective idea in the text box, and then I am pasting this prompt, in which I asked the GPT to take this selected movie concept and develop it into a complete Hollywood-style cinematic movie blueprint. I asked it to it 5 to 8 minutes long because I am showing you this as a tutorial. You can ask as per your requirements. So here the GPT gave us a very cinematic storyline that feel like a real movie, not a random collection of scenes. Okay, as we have some characters in our storyline. So, the next challenge in AI filmmaking is consistency. Because if you generate every image separately, your character can completely change, and the movie loses its professional feeling. So before generating scenes, I created a character Bible. And for that I pasted this prompt in the text box. This included character name, age, appearance, and emotional expressions. This became the permanent identity of the character. Every future image and video prompt followed this same character description. This one step makes a huge difference in maintaining consistency. After creating the characters, I converted the story into a complete screenplay. For that I pasted this prompt in which I divided the movie into 20 cinematic scenes. Each scene had location, character actions, camera angle, emotions, and dialogues. I kept the scenes short because AI video generation works better when each clip focuses on one clear moment. This gives AI a much clearer direction and produces better results. Now that our story and scenes are ready, the next step is creating the visuals for our movie. But instead of generating random images, we need to create a separate image prompt for every single scene. And for that I pasted this prompt here, in which I am asking it to convert each scene into a professional AI image generation prompt. I also add this line that always maintain the exact same character appearance from the character Bible. And that's how for every scene, I generated a detailed image prompt that tells the AI exactly what I want to see. Now we have our cinematic image prompts ready, but the images are only the first half of the process. To turn these still images into a complete cinematic movie, we need to create detailed video prompts for every single scene. And for that I pasted this prompt. This is where I told the AI exactly how I want the image to come alive. For each scene, I create a separate video prompt that includes character movements, facial expressions, and character dialogues when required. Now that our story, characters, and scene-wise image prompts are ready, it's time to bring our movie visuals to life. For generating images, I am using Meta AI because it can create high-quality cinematic images and it is easy to use. So let's start the image generation process. First, open Meta AI in your browser and sign in using your account. Once you are inside Meta AI, you will see the image creation option. Click on the Create Image option. Now, before generating anything, remember one important thing. We don't want to create random images. We already created a complete character Bible and scene-wise image prompts using ChatGPT. These prompts are designed to maintain the same character appearance throughout the entire movie. So now, open ChatGPT and go back to the character image prompt section. Copy the first character prompt. Now come back to Meta AI and paste that complete prompt into the image generation box. After pasting the prompt, simply press enter. Meta AI will process the request and generate the character image. Once the image is generated, check the important details. Is the face correct? Is the hairstyle matching? Are the clothes accurate? Does the character match our story? If everything looks good, save the image. This image will now become our reference image for maintaining character consistency throughout the movie. Now repeat the same process for every important character. Save every character image properly because we will use these references later during video generation. Now, after creating all character images, we move towards generating our movie scenes. Open ChatGPT again and go to the scene-wise image prompt section. Copy the image prompt for scene 1. This prompt already contains character details, environment, lighting, camera angle, and cinematic style. But still, if the scene contains our character, so upload the character image form this plus icon. Paste this prompt into Meta AI. Click enter and wait for the image generation. And look at this, our image is all ready. Once the scene image is created, save it. Repeat this process for all 20 scenes. At the end, you will have character reference images and complete movie scene images. And these images will become the foundation of our cinematic AI video. Now we have all our cinematic images ready. The next step is the most exciting part, turning these still images into moving cinematic video clips. For this, I am using Google Flow with VEO 3.1 in it as a video model. Google Flow is a platform from Google that gives you 53 credits on your sign-in that will refill again after 24 hours. Each video takes 10 credits to be generated. So, you can make 5 videos daily with your one Google account. So first, open Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. As you can see here, I got 53 credits on my sign-in. Once you enter Flow, click on Create a new project. Now we need two important things: our generated scene image, our scene-wise video prompt. The image tells AI what the scene should look like. The video prompt tells AI how that scene should move. Now open ChatGPT and go to the video prompt section. Copy the video prompt for scene 1. This prompt contains camera movement, character actions, environment movement, and dialogue if the scene requires it. Now come back to Google Flow and click on this plus icon and then on this Upload Media option and upload the Scene 1 image as your reference image. After uploading the image, paste the complete video prompt into the prompt box. Click on this Advanced Settings option and from here you can see the video section in which there is an aspect ratio option. The quantity, keep it at 1, otherwise it will take more and more credits. And lastly, there is a video modo option here, where you have VEO 3.1 fast, light, and quality. Let's just select the light version. Now click on Save. Now generate the video. Google Flow will analyze the image and prompt, then create a cinematic video clip based on your instructions. Each generated clip is designed to be around 8 seconds long. Once the video is generated, review it carefully. Check, is the character consistent? Are the movements realistic? Did the camera movement match the prompt? Did the emotion look correct? If the result looks good, save the clip. If not, improve the prompt and generate again. Now repeat the same process for every scene, and continue until all scenes are completed. For those scenes in which there are some dialogues, Flow will generate that automatically. For a 20-scene movie, you will generate 20 individual cinematic clips. But after generating 5 clips, my all credits have gone by now. But you don't need to stop. You can just simply log out from Google Flow and log in with your another Google account. And remember, each account will be refilled by the next day. So if you are working on a very lengthy video, you can come after again next day and complete it. I mean, almost everyone have almost 4 to 5 Google accounts in their device. So you can make use of each one for generating video clips. After generating all clips, organize them in order. And here is the final output.
Is there anyone at all, who will come and save my Dragonland?
A weapon reflects the soul that forged it.
Right.
Then mine still has much to learn.
What is this? The final heart has awakened.
Run, Kale! I'm not leaving anyone behind!
Soon, even the heavens will kneel.
I'm ready.
You were never ordinary.
Thank you. Still just a blacksmith?
Always.
So, this is the complete workflow. The biggest secret is that AI is not replacing creativity. AI is becoming your complete filmmaking team. You just need the right idea, the right prompts, and the right workflow. If you want to create your own AI cinematic movie, follow the exact tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.